Hi everyone, it's Dr. Sabo from Alta Vista Dermatology. Today, I want to personally invite you to something very special. After many years of practicing medical, surgical, and aesthetic dermatology in Highlands Ranch, Colorado, we are truly humbled every single day by the trust and the love of our patients. We are so excited to share that Alta Vista Dermatology is now open in Castle Rock, Colorado. This has been a vision rooted in one simple goal: to bring the same level of exceptional, compassionate, and innovative care to more people in our community. At Alta Vista Dermatology, we are not just a dermatology clinic. We are a comprehensive physician-led center where medical, surgical, and aesthetic and integrative wellness all come together. Because your skin is not separate from your health, it reflects what's happening inside your body, your hormones, your metabolism, your lifestyle, your overall well-being. And that's why our approach is different. We combine advanced evidence-based medical dermatology, skin cancer prevention and surgical expertise, cutting-edge aesthetic and laser technologies, and integrative strategies to support the whole body health, all designed to create natural, regenerative, and lasting results. Our open house is an opportunity for you to experience this firsthand. This is not a sales event. This is a meet and greet, a chance to connect, to learn, and to see if we are the right fit for you. Whether you are a patient looking for trusted, high-quality care, a medical provider seeking a collaborative partner, a caregiver or parent wanting the best for your family, or simply someone who values excellence and integrity in healthcare, we created this space for you. You will have the opportunity to meet our team, tour our beautiful new facility, learn about our unique approach to skin and wellness, and explore some of our most advanced technologies and regenerative treatments. Most importantly, you will get a sense of who we are. Because for us, it's not just about the treatments, but it's about relationships, trust, and delivering the care at the highest level. We are deeply committed to practicing evidence-based medicine with integrity, innovation, and with our heart. And we will love and be honored to be your resource for skin health and overall wellness. So come join us, connect with us, and experience what Alta Vista Dermatology is all about. We can't wait to welcome you in Castle Rock on April 8th at 5 p.m. See you at the open house.